Brown Boss Day.
Welcome to my channel, Brown Boss Jamaica Tours. Yes, my people, so we're back at it again. I'm going to provide you with a second update of the construction of the new National Bakery here in Catherine Hall, St. James, Jamaica. Yes, my people, a game changer here for the western end of Jamaica, as we are expecting to get a brand new state-of-the-art bakery right here in St. James, Jamaica. So I would have provided you with an update back in September 2024. So I'm going to give you a second update right now here in April 2025. All right, so I'm just going to drive right now to Mega Mart right here in Catherine Hall so I can park and give you a walking tour, and later on in the video I'll give you a drone footage of this facility. All right, my people, so stay tuned. You don't want to miss that part. Alright guys, I'm gonna walk from Mega Mart to the new location of the National Bakery right here in Catherine Hall, St. James, Jamaica. So as you can see, a number of the trees have been cut down in this area. I realized this when I was driving here on Wednesday, and there was a huge detour that was created at this end, so we couldn't drive here. We had to go around Mega Mart and drive close to the Catherine Hall Stadium. Yeah, so as I'm walking, you'll see remnants of the trees that were here. You can see the tree roots, and they're gonna have these removed completely. Yeah, a lot of work is going on right now at this end right here in Catherine Hall. So a lot of land is being cleared up right now. I'm not entirely sure what they're gonna do at this end. All right, it might be the parking lot for the bakery or something else. If you know, just let me know in the comment section below. All right, so I'm just gonna walk right now and show you guys how this area has been transformed since the last time when I did the video back in September 2024. So this is a major development right here in the western end of the island. The National Baking Company is investing about $6.7 billion on its first state-of-the-art bread plant in Montego Bay, which will be powered partially by robots. Yes, guys, I said it, robots. The project will be completed by Brothers Concept and Solutions Limited, and it will consist of a building which comprises 2 stories. It also consists of a retail store and an outdoor parking lot. The building will be a steel frame structure that is built upon a pile foundation. The location will be lot number 1, Bogue Estate, Catherine Hall, St. James, Jamaica. The construction started from July 2023. So you definitely want to stay tuned and see the progress of this development, which is moving very quickly, I must say. All right, but stay tuned for that part, my people. The National Baking Company is the leading baked goods manufacturer in Jamaica. It was established back in 1952 and is currently operating as a privately owned company. During the company's announcement ceremony at the Hilton Hotel and Spa in Rosal, St. James on January 8, 2023, Prime Minister Andrew Holness, Opposition Leader Mark Golin, and National's Managing Director and Chairman Gary Butch Hendrickson were reviewing the plan for the plant being built in Catchinall in St. James. An extract from the Gleaner on January 8, 2024, the Jamaica Observer on February 14, 2023, and NCB Capital Markets on January 10, 2024. It reads, the facility will be a 120,000 square foot plant which has the capacity to produce over 3,600 loaves per hour, meeting our commitment to deliver fresh products faster. It's set to be completed in 2025 and will enhance the organization's ability to export to places like the USA. The facility will distribute to St. James, St. Anne, Trelawney, Hanover, Westmoreland, and St. Elizabeth. This is part of our ongoing commitment to delivering fresh product to these areas in a shorter time frame. This will be a fast plant, a very efficient plant, Hendrickson told the gathering after a bread-breaking ceremony with Prime Minister Andrew Holness and Opposition Leader Mark Golin. We are going to open new opportunities of storage, production, tonnage, and logistics, allowing us to better meet the demands of our growing international markets, stated Hendrickson in the presence of his parents Carl and Nell Hendrickson. Most importantly, National will incorporate the use of robotics for the first time in its businesses, and with the aim of reducing laborious, repetitive processes that human beings just can't do anymore. So we are going to be maximizing efficiency by using advanced production processes and new generation robotics, he stated. Hendrickson noted that cutting-edge plant robotics will enhance production efficiencies, requiring a highly skilled workforce for the 75 direct jobs it will create. Hendrickson highlighted that plant operators will need to be highly qualified, reflecting the specialized skills needed to operate machinery and manage the intricacies of the plant. We expect them to be high-income earners. In addition to the new plant in Montego Bay, the National Baking Company CEO said that the company will build a new distribution center in Priory, St. Anne, and another in Mandeville, Manchester, to serve the surrounding areas of those towns. With the distribution center in Priory, he said the company aims to cover areas along the northeast of the island, while the Mandeville Distribution Center will serve central Jamaica. Both projects are priced at US $12 million, which is about $6 million each, or about $1.9 billion, and each plant will be about 40,000 square feet. Alright, my people, so I'm gonna go to the plaza across the road from the National Baking Company so I can give you an aerial view from the first floor. Alright, so I'm gonna walk up the stairs right now. But just before I give you the new look, I'm gonna show you a flashback back in September 2024. So that's how it looked, just a framework being showcased right now, so you can see it. Alright, I'm gonna reveal the new look right now. Alright, so you can see that there was a huge tree that was there, all right, but that is no more. So feast your eyes on the new look. This is April 2025, so you can definitely see the progress right now of this National Baking Company at this new location here in Catrinall, St. James, Jamaica. So there you can see the root of the large tree that was there, right there at the West Green Avenue, and all right, right at the roundabout. So guys, let me know what you think about the overall progress of this construction of the new National Baking Company. Yeah, it's going pretty fast, and I have no doubt that it will be completed on this year, 2025. Let me know if you think that this is feasible. Alright, so I'm going to fly the drone right now, but here's what people, each time when I try to fly it, it's saying that it's losing connection and I could not see the live feed. So I had to try multiple times, try from different locations, and I did not know that it was actually recording. So that's why you might not see the full view at some point, but I try to make adjustments as best as possible so that you can see the overall look. All right, so just stay tuned and watch the entire footage as I'll show you the complete view from a distance, and it actually took multiple takes, so just bear with me guys. You know, the drone was actually losing a connection, not sure why. All right, but yes guys, definitely a major progress right now for the National Baking Company. As you can see, workers are definitely hard at work. Yeah, look at the major progress. This is mind-blowing, my people, and I have no doubt that this will be completed this year, 2025. Yeah, let me know what you think in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed as yet to my channel, now is the time to do so. Subscribe to my channel, Brown Boss Jamaica Tour, so that you can get videos like these. And also like the video and share it, as this is helpful for the algorithm to push this out for more persons to get on board. All right. Yes guys, and do remember that my donation button is now available. You can check it out in the description box below. Alright, you can definitely make any donations to my channel so that I can improve the quality of videos I offer. Yes guys, as the sky is not the limit. Yeah, we can definitely invest into a high powered drone, you know. And the winds were really heavy this day guys, so yeah, the drone did a good job, I must say. All right, but just watch the video as I showcase the magnificent views right now of the National Baking Company construction.